So finding the working coupon codes for your Walmart application is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how you guys can find the working coupons for your Walmart application. So for that, you have to go to your browser and type in coupon follow. And you have to go to this website, which is couponfollow.com. And here you just have to type in Walmart. As you guys can see, it will show me all the coupons that are available for the Walmart. So you just have to select the suitable coupon that you want to put. Suppose this is the coupon that I can put and save up to $20 when you are spending over $50 on your first 3 Walmart pickups. So you just need to read this carefully in order to get these coupons working. So if I suppose I click on this show coupon, there you guys can see this coupon will get me $10 off in order of $50+. So that's how you guys can find the cool Walmart coupons for your Walmart application in the Coupon Follow app. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.